to a new LinkStack video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get started with LinkStack. LinkStack, if you didn't know, is a link in bio platform, the free and open source alternative to Linktree. Everything you are in one simple link. You can get custom themes, advanced analytics, and also a verified badge for completely no cost. Additionally, you can see truly independent and open source. We're also made to be open source. What's not to like about LinkStack? So let's switch to LinkStack. I'm going to now create a new account. I can continue with my GitHub account, or I can continue with an email address. I'm going to continue with an email address. Now there's a current bug on the platform where it asks you to check your email, but actually there is no email verification. So just click dismiss, click back to options, and then log in. This will be patched. Now you can see be visible to the world. Add your profile handle to be visible to the world and start building your stack. So mine is going to be, I'm just going to do hashtag LinkStack, continue. Boom, that's our profile all created. I can now add links, save my socials as well, and even access my identity settings, add a custom theme, and also access an AI bot that I can ask, hey, what's my most clicked link, and all my analytics. I can literally just ask it any question. Now I can also add an avatar image URL. So let's say I'm going to use the official YouTube LinkStack URL. So LinkStack. I'm just going to grab this image, and we're going to use this one. Boom, that's our beautiful image URL. And then I'm going to literally grab what I did from here, everything you are in one simple link. And boom, appearance updated. At LinkStack, everything you are in one simple link. I can use a glass effect, but I don't personally I actually quite like that, but I'm not really sure. Now verification, how do we get verification? We need Business Pro, which I'm going to be walking you through, and also 2 active links. So 2 active links, let's add some links first of all. So let me do YouTube. Now as you can see, I can add my social here, but I want to add it here because otherwise this isn't actually going to count as a link. So I'm going to grab my YouTube link and boom, we've added a link to my LinkStack. Now, I don't know why it's changed, but it's actually changed the appearance there. So sometimes it changes the theme, and that's a bit annoying. Okay, now I'm going to do website. So now we have 2 active links on our page. So that actually doesn't even work. So yeah, now we have 2 active links on our website. So sometimes it does change the theme. We're working on that, so just change it back to glass. I'm actually going to make it like that. That's good. Now if we go into verification, you can see we have 2 active links, profile avatar and profile bio. Now we need to get something called Business Pro. This is still free. We'll just go ahead, click upgrade, and click get started. So as you can see, it's strictly prohibited. You cannot impersonate businesses that you're not, and you'll be instantly terminated. Click get started for $0, and then you're going to see this page, ready to transition. Just click upgrade to business and complete the H captcha. So I'm going to pick all the animals that live in a similar habitat. So it's none of them actually. So let me do another one. Please drag the shape half on the right to complete the shape. So there we go. Do that. Verify. Now as you can see, now we have a confirmation. This action can be undone. It can be undone by going to the dashboard and clicking on the business tab, then scrolling all the way down and clicking switch to personal. Anyway, I'm going to click transfer to business, and look at that, we now automatically have a verified badge. So yeah, we automatically have a verified badge. We don't even need to click get verified, apply verified badge, anything like that. We already have it. So as you can see on the analytics page, we can actually just click switch back to personal, and we can do that. So as you can see, we have my analytics here, and also all my stats and a map of where my people are visiting from. So I'm going to go to my link and see if visits will update. Okay, so as you can see, it automatically redirects me to a /view page, and there's my profile. Now sometimes themes just don't work, in fact no. So if I reload this page, click on analytics, boom, 1 visitor on Friday, which is today. Now I'm going to go ahead, quickly change my style and save my appearance. That's probably why it was just being stupid. So now let's go back here and go here, and look at that, I have a beautiful glassy effect with my links that I can click, and it's going to redirect me in a new tab to that page. And that is basically an overview of LinkStack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you want to, sign up for LinkStack today at link-stack.pages.dev. The link will be in the description and it's also in my bio. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.